Dahua's Starlight technology generates crystal clear images in near complete darkness. How is this possible? Cameras equipped with Starlight technology are designed to automatically adapt to challenging lighting conditions. A high-performance sensor and special Dahua algorithms combine to capture images in low light and no light environments. When lighting conditions become challenging, Dahua's Starlight technology kicks in by slowing down the camera's electronic shutter. This dramatically increases low light sensitivity, capturing more light and keeping images in color. Smart Scene Adaptive (SSA) technology allows cameras equipped with Starlight to automatically switch between wide dynamic range, backlight compensation, highlight compensation, and low light modes based on the requirements of the scene. For extremely low light scenes, cameras with Starlight can be manually adjusted to produce images without any IR light at all, avoiding the whitening out of images that IR LEDs can cause. The innovation behind Dahua's Starlight technology provides the best image capture to help maximize your security solution.